So my name is David Hansel. I'm a local artist here. I've got a gallery in Santa Rosa Beach, but I do the market here with Bill a couple times a month. And we have a wide variety of products here. I've got charcuterie cutting boards, serving boards. We have hangers up on the wall. I do custom artwork. And right now we're doing Christmas ornaments. We have 4 of these in the White House right now. And so we try to paint a little bit for everybody's needs, and we'd love to have you come see us. So this is my gallery card. You can contact us at davidjhansel, HANSEL.com, and you'll see our product there. We're also on Etsy, and so we're at various locations. You can contact us. Thank you.